Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Node.js versus Java. Which one is the best for you? So my preference is Node.js because it's a very straightforward learning curve, and also if you know the JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Node.js is the best for go for the implementing the RESTful APIs. Node.js is the best in using either Express.js or Nest.js. And if you are already in a Java developer, go for the Java developer. And but in a Node is easy to learn in Node. If you want to switch to Java to Node.js, easy to change it. That there is no big deal. And yeah, let's go and have a look into what is the Node.js versus in Java. So when looking into Node.js and Java comparison, both their unique pros and cons when it comes to the application development. Java is elder than the Node.js, is relatively more complicated, guys. But Java, Java, if you want to learn, you need to learn core Java, advanced Java, and again, you need to learn springboot, and again, you need to learn the Hibernate, and there's so many things you need. But Node.js is not like that. If you know the very straightforward, if you know, and also the compared to very faster than the Java is, and also Node.js is very straightforward learning curve, guys. Very straightforward. You can learn it in learning curve is very easy, and I think in 1 week is more than enough to learn in Node.js, guys. I'm not feeling like in it's required in month or 2 months, but Java is required. My personal feeling, Java is required at least 1 or 2 months, guys, to understand each and every concept and very. But there is that is the vast subject. So comparison between Java and Node.js and performance wise, Java is very low. However, the performance can be enhanced using the JIT compilers, right? They have the JIT compilers, and Java is based on that one. The performance is depends on that one. So when it's coming for the whereas in Node.js is runs faster compared to Java without any buffering, right? Yeah. Security, highly secure. There are no vulnerabilities except the ones from the integrator. And vulnerable Daniel of services attacks the cross-site scripting. It lacks of default risk management. No, guys, and there are a lot of things is coming up using Nest.js. Nest.js is another best framework to integrating with the Node.js, implementing the microservices. So there you can do it in very there is no vulnerabilities, and you can write it in nice code and cross-site scripting and all this stuff, and you can maintain and write your perfect code, and everything is going fine. There is no problem with that. Coding speed needs greater definitions is time in developing up. Yeah, guys, in it will based on the complexity of your code in Java. That based on the complexity, it will go to be lesser time of application development in lightweight and more flexible. Very lightweight Node.js. I love the Node. Development cost more affordable than the Node.js. Cost may vary depending on the option of outsourcing, guys. Okay, greater than Java. Yeah, definitely greater than Java in the Node.js. Yeah. The next, what to choose between Node.js and Java. When it comes to, in my mind, in Node.js or Java, both are popular programming languages. There are lot to offer. But which one is the better, Node.js or Java? Node.js is JavaScript runtime environment that allows you to build scalable network applications. It is a fast, efficient, and it has a large community developers who are always creating new modules and tools. Yeah, it's a large community you have, and Node.js learning curve is very straightforward, as I mentioned earlier, and also is easy to learn if you know the either any other frameworks, Node.js frameworks like Express.js and Nest.js. You learn those things very easy to build your microservices and your RESTful API. Straightforward. Java, as I mentioned, Java is very powerful and versatile language and can be used everything from the web applications to desktop apps. It will well supported a lot of great libraries. But is compared to Node.js and Java, Java is the vast subject, and you need to learn core Java, you need to learn advanced Java, you need to learn Hibernates, you need to in Spring Boot, you need to learn all so many things, guys. And Java is a vast subject. Learning curve, that's what scares in the every all the people who are all interested in the data structures, algorithms, who want to write it in very well structured code and go for the Java. And also, If you want to learn in the full stack developing, so hard, guys. And again, you need to that is a different Java is the different curve, and again you need to come back to the full stack development. Either you want to learn React JS and another Angular or Vue JS, again you need to learn JavaScript and HTML and CSS. If you are in a Node.js developer, or if you are using a Node.js in the backend side, it's easy jump onto the either React, or easy to jump onto. Within 5 days or 6 days you are going to learn these frameworks. But Java, and again, you need to understand about the JavaScript. There is a syntax difference. You need to learn about the JavaScript. You need to understand about that. But in Java developers, they will pick in very quickly. But in if you are in Node.js developer already, easy to pick in any front end framework, right? So there is no problem. They will jump onto they're understanding the syntax. They can jump onto the directly, and they will become within 1 month or 2 months. They are in full stack developers using the Node React or and either Angular and Vue.js. And if you're compared to Java, Java is at least it will take 6 months to learn again new frameworks, and it takes a huge amount of time, guys. They jump onto the any front end framework to learn if they want to become as a full stack developing. It's so hard. That's what I'm trying. So which one you want to choose, and but in based on your project expertise and team expertise and your company expertise, based on that, right programming, which programming you want to choose it, and you can choose it in wisely. So yeah, so that's what, guys, like which one you want to choose. So last 8 years I was working Node.js and Express.js, and now I just in 1 year back I started to do the Nest.js as well in the backend side. So, however, I'm a full stack developer. So I'm doing in the front end React JS, Redux, all this stuff, and it's very easy for me. Like there is no big deal to do it that one. And again, if you want to go for the another tech stack like in .NET or other things, little bit hard to understand a learning curve. There is a vast subjects. The both the .NET and Java both are the vast subjects you need to learn from all these things. And yeah, based on your project and based on your team expertise and company expertise, guys, you can choose wisely which one you want to. But beginners, I'm suggesting you go for the Node.js if you want to be a full stack developer. Don't go for the Java. Java is the vast subject, and you need to learn again the database, which one like PostgreSQL, Oracle, DynamoDB, and so many things are there. You need to learn a lot of things, SQL Server, a lot of things you need to learn. So which one you can choose, you can choose wisely. Yeah, that's all, guys, for this video. I hope you learned something else about the Node.js and versus Java. So we'll catch up another video, guys, and see you.